Hey guys, hope you can help me with the John Deere Lawnmower LA110. It's sort of misfiring. I replaced the coil, I checked the spark plug, replaced the battery, I cleaned the carburetor, opened it all up, cleaned it, replaced the fuel filter, replaced the fuel pump because we're leaking oil, leaking gas. And listen to what it does. So it's easy enough. Basically it runs, but it doesn't have power because it's almost like it has a misfire. Let me show you again. So, any suggestions you have, please put it in the comments. Help me solve this problem. Thank you.